Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring power and a reliable host computer. Plug the iPhone into that machine. Next, force the device into recovery or DFU mode using the model-specific button sequence because the system needs a host to reinstall firmware. Once the phone is recognized by Finder or iTunes, do not click Install yet. Observe the prompt and note whether it offers Update or Restore. This choice determines whether data can be preserved versus a full wipe, so choose Update first to try non-destructive repair. You proceed with Update to reload system files without erasing data. The computer downloads firmware and writes it to the device. If Update stalls or reports errors, switch to Restore, which fully erases and reinstalls iOS. This resolves deeper corruption. When automatic downloads fail, manually grab the correct IPSWA file matching device and use the host's Option key, Mac, or Shift, Windows, to select it. This ensures the exact build is installed. Make sure to keep the cable connected until the process completes to avoid bricking. You finish by completing setup and restoring from iCloud or local backup if available. This returns your apps and settings. Once booted, verify stability by updating to the latest iOS and monitoring for unexpected reboots or heat. These indicate remaining issues. If the device returns to the Apple logo or won't complete restore, suspect hardware faults like failing NAND or connectivity problems. In that case, make an appointment with authorized service for diagnostics, because repeated software attempts can't fix.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.